नमस्ते। महाकविना कालिदासेन विरचितस्य रघुवंशमहाकाव्यस्य एकादशे कथाभागे सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। Namaste. Welcome to the 11th episode of Raghuvamsham, written by Mahakavi Kalidasa. The Sanskrit for All YouTube channel is an attempt to present wonderful Sanskrit literature, be it shlokas, kavyas, stories, dramas or stotras, in their original form with an easy to understand explanation. There will also be many Sanskrit learning videos in this channel. So please subscribe, click the bell icon and you will definitely receive some great Sanskrit content. Nunam mattaf param vamshyah pinda vichhedadarshinaha na prakama bhujashradhe swadha sangraha tatparaha. Surely my ancestors are not eating their food offered in the Shraddha ceremony and are storing up the food for future use because they see cessation of such offerings after my death. King Dileep further describes his problem, what he is undergoing, all that. He says, Mattaf param, after me, pinda vicheda darshinaha vamshyaha. For seeing my forefathers, pinda vicheda darshinaha, they are seeing that after me there is no one to give the pinda, the food which is offered to the forefathers. That is going to stop, vicheda, cessation of pinda pradhanam is going to happen. Seeing that, what they are doing, the ancestors, swadha sangraha tatparaha. Swaha is the offering made to gods, deities. Swadha is the food that is offered to the ancestors. So swadha sangraha tatparaha. They are busy storing up the offerings that is made to them. Na prakama bhujaha, and they are not shraddhe na prakama bhujaha. In the shraddha they are not eating completely because they are busy thinking about who will provide us food next. So they are busy storing that and they are not eating properly in the shraddha. So he is feeling very bad about that and he is sharing his grief with his guru. Matparam durlabham matva nunamavarjitam maya payaf purvaisva nishvasaih kavoshnamupabhujyate. Surely the libations offered by me is drunk as lukewarm water, which is warmed up by the sighs of my ancestors because they feel they will not get this water after I am gone. Again King Dileep continues to share his grief with his guru. He says, Matparam durlabham matva. After me, this is not available. Thinking like this, Maya avarjitam payaha. The water that is being offered by me, purvaihi kavoshnam upabhujyate. The water that is being offered to me is drank by my ancestors as lukewarm water. I am offering normal water, but they are drinking lukewarm water. Why is it becoming lukewarm? Swanishvasaihi kavoshnam. Because the ancestors with sadness, they're heaving, they're sighing. They're sighing like this. So because of that sigh, the water is becoming lukewarm and they're drinking it like that. Sohamijya vishuddhatma prajalopanimilitaha prakashascha prakashascha loka loka ivachalaha. I am pure and bright inside due to the yajnas I perform, but due to lack of progeny I am clouded. I am shining and non-shining like the Loka Loka mountain. In this verse also King Dileep continues to share his grief with his guru. He says, Aham ijya vishuddhatma. Because of doing yajnas, my soul is pure, it is radiant. So inside I am very radiant. Prajalopa nimilitaha. But because I don't have progeny, I am clouded. Prakashaha cha aprakashaha cha. That is, there is light and there is darkness also. Inside I am radiant, but outside I am clouded. Prakashaha cha aprakashaha cha. There is light also, there is darkness also within the same person. For this, Kalidasa gives an upama, loka loka achalaha iva. Loka loka is a mountain. It's a mountain range. It is said to be around the earth, but beyond the 7 seas. So within this range of mountains comes all the stars, the sun, the planets, they all come within this loka range. So inside part of this loka is bright, but outside that it is dark. Basically it's like the universe which we are living in, that is being compounded by the loka mountain. And because sun and stars are there inside, it is bright inside, but it is dark outside. The Puranas also give this symbolism. They explain it. This loka represents the wall between the enlightened and the unenlightened. So that is the beauty and that is the joy in reading kavyas. You know so many other things other than the story that is being narrated. We get an opportunity to look into so many other aspects which we wouldn't otherwise know. Lokantara sukham punyam tapodana samudbhavam santati shuddha vamshyahi paratreha cha sharmane. The merits which arise from penance and charity gives pleasure in the other world, but a progeny born out of a pure lineage gives happiness here in this world and in the other world. Now King Dileep clearly states why he wishes to have a progeny. He says, tapodana samudbhavam punyam lokantara sukham dadati. The merits attained by doing tapas, penance, and dana, charity, gives lokantara sukham, gives happiness after we leave this world. But shuddha vamshya santatihi, the progeny born from a good lineage, paratra iha cha sharmane, it is for happiness in the other world also and also in this world. Taya hinam vidhatarmam katham pashyanna duyase siktam swayamiva sneha dvandhyamashrama vrikshakam. O bestower, how is it that you are not grieved looking at me who is without that progeny, like a sapling of the hermitage, affectionately watered personally by you, bearing no fruit? If you have enjoyed this video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below this video, and please do not forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications when I add new videos. If you are interested in learning this beautiful language, Sanskritam, please do visit my website www.tattvam.org. I take classes for adults and kids in separate batches. For more details about the classes, please visit my website.